Okay, let's review about linear function. Anytime you see the keyword like this, it just means that they're giving us a line. Okay, if your line going up, your slope is positive. If your line going down, your slope is negative. Remember, we always look from the left to the right to see if going up or going down. Okay, so the very basic of linear function equation is y equals mx plus b, in which m is a number that stands for the slope. Sometimes we might hear it say rate of change. Okay, and then b stands for the y-intercept. That's where your graph always starting and crossing the y. Okay, that's when x equals 0. Alright, usually they will give us 2 points and they ask us is either to get the equation or the slope. Okay, so if they're given us 2 points or more than 2 points, we always graph. We go to press menu A14 to plug in the points, and then menu 18 to get the equation. Okay, but remember, when you press menu 18, you must click on the line so that you can see the equation. Okay, let's move on to another type of equation. Linear function is called, this one is called a standard form. Okay, the reason is this is the most basic they're starting with when they were discovering lines. Okay, ax plus by equals c. Again, a, b, and c, the big letters right here, it just represent the numbers. For example, I put 2x plus 5y equals 10. You see? So to graph this equation, so in the calculator right here, we need to press something. Okay, we go to graph, we're going to press menu 3213. Okay, so here I have menu. Zoom in a little bit so you can see. Okay, 3, 2, 1, 3. When it says standard. Okay, and over here I'm going to put in the number in front of x, number in front of y, and the right side number. Okay, number in front of x is 2. Number in front of y is 5. Oh, I need to move to this side. It's 5. And then on this side I have 10. So as soon as you press this one in, you press enter, you're gonna be able to see the line. Okay, this line happened to have a negative slope because it's going down. So that's how you graph it. In some calculator, you may need this one, menu 3313. Okay, be sure you ask your teacher before you use any of those codes. Alright. Many times they will ask you for the slope. In other words, they ask you for a rate of change. So what you do is, after you plot in the points, or if they already given you an equation in standard form, then you're going to graph the equation. Remember the code to graph it. And then you press menu 833. And then just like menu 14, you have to click on the line so that you can see what is the slope. Okay, so let's practice. I already have the line right here. I don't know if you can see the number well, but it's 2x minus 5y. Okay, so I go to the line. I know that it's 2x plus 5y equals 10. I'll go to the line. I press menu A33, and then here's what the slope is given. Okay, I can move the line anywhere that I want so I can see the number clearly. Make sure you check if your line going down. It should have a negative. Alright, see you in the next video. Bye.